Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Design With Me video. So you guys actually voted that you wanted to see this week, so we are doing another Design With Me video. This week I am doing a 4th of July photo kit, which I'm really excited about. I just felt so inspired and so excited to do a photo kit for 4th of July. So that is what I'm doing. If you guys want to know where I get my photos, my clip art, my fonts, my icons, all of that stuff, I'm actually going to link that video up in the cards. I did a whole video on this. You can find all of that information within that video, so definitely check that out if you're wanting to know where I got certain stuff. But this video is just going to be me showing you like the process from start to finish. Whenever I decide to create a new kit, I will go into the last kit that I created. I'll do a file save as. I will save it as the new name of the kit that I want to create, and then I just start changing out, you know, the patterns, the colors, the clip art, whatever I need to in order to design this kit. So for this kit, I'm just replacing the digital papers with actual photos for this one, and then I'm changing up colors, and I really love the way that this one turned out. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. As far as showing you guys how I design each specific sticker, I'm not going to be doing that on YouTube. If you guys have been watching my videos for a little bit, then you may know that I am creating a whole course on how to design stickers, and it's going to be separate from my YouTube channel. It's going to be a paid course, and I'm hoping to have that launch in June. That is my goal. I'm still working on it. I'm still mapping everything out, but my goal is to have it up for you guys soon, because I know that so many of you guys have expressed interest in it and you want to know how to design certain stickers. So I am working on that. I'm not going to be showing that in Design With Me videos. These are more just like me actually designing my kits. I already have my kit layout and everything like designed, if you will, but like this is just me switching out colors and patterns and everything like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys still like this video. I'm actually going to put some music to this and you guys can just watch me change up everything. But definitely make sure that you click that subscribe button if you guys are interested in more sticker related content. Don't forget to click the bell notification, that way you never miss a video from me. And if you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, so that way I know you guys want to see more videos like this. But that is going to be it for the voiceover, and I'm just going to let you watch this, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.